Hi guys, it's me, Jara Bee. Welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a unboxing here, and this bag is a bag from Stoney Clover Lane. I ordered this piece directly from the website, Stoney Clover Lane website. This is my very first purchase from Stoney Clover. Okay, and it came in the box that looks like this. I've had this package for about a week now, and I am very anxious to open it, but I wanted to wait and open it with you guys. So here we go. Let's see. So here's what the box looks like. It has Stoney Clover written in black. Here's the bag that it comes in. And then it came with this. And let's see. So it has this little, I don't know, I think this is a sticker maybe. And it looks like this. A little envelope. It says patched, packed, and ready for anything. That's nice. What else is in here? So we have a postcard and my invoice is right here. All right, so let's get into it. Here's the bag. Let's see. What's this? Oh, their tissue paper looks like this, iridescent. That's so pretty. Look at that. This is, oh, look. It's so pretty, guys. This is the classic nylon jumbo fanny pack in the color Bubblegum. And this is what it looks like. It's huge. Okay. Oh, look at the gold hardware here. Gold zipper. And I did add this heart patch right here, which is a little extra. Costs a little bit more money for that. Okay, and here's the zipper pull, what it looks like. Guys, Stoney Clover, to me, in my opinion, is pricey. All right, ladies, I wanted to share with you the cost for this jumbo fanny pack. The bag itself was $128. The crystal heart patch was $24. They charged a customization fee of $15. Then they charged $4.35 for a route package protection that I did not want, but I could not figure out how to get it out of my cart. I did have a 10% discount for a first-time customer. So altogether was $178.22. I think that's very, very, very pricey for a nylon bag, fanny pack bag. But it was just something that I wanted. So anyway, thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for What's on My Bag featuring this fanny pack. Talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.